they come to me hitting that gun fast. I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler. Breeze on the battlefield, known as a sufferer. Before I had a deal, I was still stacking bills. Get hooked, so food to the customers. Now I get love crews in the back of the S-Class. Them can't move like that, you know. I come from where now I'm learning for hardly nothing. You can see me in the news, I'm hardly fronting. Got kids with guns in the heart of London. Bulletproof vests like half 100. That's no actors and actresses. Bloody round here, niggas hatching those straps and mattresses. Soon as it makes it stats, then you might see. Who is getting on truck? That's always me. How can you win? How can you win? How can you win? How can you win? Look, I was raised in the city when they was out blazing the Philly. I was on the 5 bus chasing the titties. The back of the club, some new bras with a stiffy. Tanisha, Tessa, this nigga Richie. Look, it's a cold world. Gangsters living in a po-po world. So I've been cold with a go-go girl. Escaping reality, I know so well. But when you're a kid, you don't know no better. Boys find trouble trying to find that cheddar. Money breeds envy, might get set up when pockets get empty. Niggas get jealous. Killer like soda, more people better. And they didn't do us, fetching that ketchup from south of the border. No west and east is not around here. Gotta see it to believe it. Who is getting in trouble? That's how it's always been. How can you win? How can you win? How can you win? How can you win? Let me tell you something. Look, maybe that's because I'm a Londoner. That I love London town, but London's foul. London's a merry-go-round, a cycle of life full of ups and downs. Cause up till now, we ain't never won with the odds against us. The million to one, see the witness messy, but every sitting in the sun. No fight to draw the 9 million is none. How can I win? How can I win? How can I win? How can I win? Yo, Jason Status.